Zacros, as a liquid packaging manufacturer, is really focused on personal care and consumer goods. That includes cosmetics, shampoos, conditioners, lotions, sunscreens, as well as household items.
The main focus of Zacros looking forward is what can we do to help the earth. That's always been our focus. We will do everything we can to minimize carbon footprint and improve recyclability while not compromising the final product.
So a lot of consumers don't know that, they think plastic, and plastic has a lot of bad media attention, particularly in the last couple years, because there's a lot of leakage in the environment. But actually packaging, plastic packaging in particular, is more sustainable from a life cycle. It's lighter weight, it uses less natural resources, less water to produce, it's more efficient. Think about all the trucks that you have to have if you have cans or glass. Zacros came to us and they had great solutions that were working in Japan. Maybe the United States wasn't quite ready for them, but we certainly are now.
As technology like this has already been embraced in Japan, we see this as an opportunity to bring pouches to the domestic market, specifically pouches for liquid filling.
Our focus is always around quality and innovation. And that's what leads us to the products that we are presenting today at this show. We're a 100-year-old company, and we have been innovating over that entire period of time.
For example, in 2014, we gave them a Gold Achievement Award for innovation packaging. So they're ahead of the game. Everyone in Japan and Europe is used to it, but not necessarily the United States. So they came to us to help promote their solution in the United States, and it's growing.
So there's always been this holy grail for liquid pouches, 100% mono-material, fully recyclable liquid pouch.
So a lot of folks think that recycling is recycling, and it's not always quite the case. So if you have a bottle that has polyethylene bottle and a polypropylene cap, you throw that into a container, it's not just getting melted down and reused, it can't, the product's different. With our material, it's all one material, polyethylene, whether it's HD or LD, so our material is able to be recycled as a complete unit. Getting to a place where we're dealing with mono materials, and that's really where our focus is, that's something that allows our customers to have an easier end-use recycling where they don't have to do multiple steps.
We're based in Tokyo, Japan. We have a headquarters in Delaware for the Americas. Quality is always a focus like anywhere, but we have an industry-leading understanding of the products we do.
I am very fortunate to work with some of the most dedicated and hardworking quality engineers and quality technicians directly on my team, from engineering design through production operations down to the warehouse group, that everyone is working towards the same goal. Our goal is to provide high-quality product to our various customers and applications.
We have state-of-the-art labs in both locations. State-of-the-art materials, state-of-the-art engineering work.
State-of-the-art technology, robots, new grinders, brand new injection machines. This machine's set up that if it doesn't read the cap, kicks the box off, so that our customer only gets the best.
Hello, my name is Donald McMillan. I'm known as Mac. I am a package engineer for Zacros. I'm proud to be a part of this great team we have. We do our best to ensure that our clients get the best. We have a lot of technology here to make sure that things work correctly. And we can do a lot of R&D work here to make sure that what we're doing actually works and holds up in the marketplace. This is a lot of things that Zacros is doing to prepare for the future.
Again, we've done all the work that we can to get that lighter weight material, use less virgin plastic, get it into the recycling stream so that we can have post-consumer recycled plastic content. But you also want to just reduce, period. So if you have a refillable container, then you can have one container that you use over and over again, and you buy the smaller refillable to fill it back up, and it's much more sustainable because, again, you're using less packaging altogether.
The cost and the energy required to store and to transport the pouches is the least amount of energy for any other type of packaging.
As the world moves towards more sustainable and green initiatives, we are challenged with finding solutions that both meet those initiatives while also ensuring high product quality and functionality in our customers' many different handling, storage, and transportation environments.
We are having so many customers stop by and ask us, how do we transition from bottles, which are rigid, to pouches, which are flexible? That is the trend that is occurring right now in North America, in Europe, really globally. That is our purpose, to drive innovation into that space.